Anytime you interact with someone, their subconscious mind analyzes your energy, your linguistic, your choice of words, your body language, your behavior, your body posture, your choice of word, the tonality of your voice, and it does all of that in a couple of seconds and it decides how to treat you. Because matter of the fact is, our subconscious mind has no idea how to treat other people. It learns through how they are treating themselves. And this is one of the biggest reasons that there is a lot of talk on the internet about people treat you the way you treat yourself. This is so true. But people use a lot of different techniques to influence other people, such as they will try to speak with a lot of different linguistic patterns. They will try to work on their energy. And don't get me wrong, all of these things actually work. And there is science to back that all of these energy work, these speaking patterns, this body language behavior, and everything works. And in fact, I teach conversational hypnosis in my 15 days instant healing program because it works. But I teach it in week 2 once I'm done helping them remove their father wound and their mother wound in week 1. The reason why I do this is very important. You need to understand that your linguistic style, your tonality of voice, your body language, your micro expressions, all of these things, even your energy, is controlled by your subconscious mind. Your subconscious mind generates a neurological state, which is your emotional state. And that emotional state decides what kind of energy you bring to any kind of interaction. The tonality of your voice, the choice of words, your body language, your micro expressions, all of these things are controlled by your neurological state. However, your neurological state keeps changing according to the environment, the situation, and different other variables. However, your predominant neurological state, that is your default emotional setting, which is developed between the ages of 1 to 9 as a result of your relationship with your parents and the sort of experiences that you had as a child. Now, that is something that will remain the same throughout your life. And that is one of the biggest reasons that people keep attracting same kind of people into their life. And this is why the saying goes that you attract what you feel inside. But don't take my word for it. Let me give you a quick hypnosis. Now, in this hypnosis, we are going to work on self-love. Why? Because the moment I teach you this technique and you go and interact with other people, you will observe that they will feel more attracted to you. So I want you to take a quick note about how people treat you right now. Then I want you to follow what I'm about to teach you. And as you do this, I want you to go and interact with other people. And you are going to realize something very important. Your subconscious mind controls how other people treat you. And if you can gain more command over your subconscious mind, you can change how people interact with you, who you attract into your life, and how they behave around you. It completely changes the sort of relationship that you attract into your reality. So sit down, relax, and now let's begin with self-love hypnosis. Now, this method is quite simple. First of all, I want you to choose someone that you really love, and someone for whom you would do anything. I want you to pick anyone. Now, this person can be your lover, your parent, your friend, your sibling, anyone. And let's begin. Now, the first thing I want you to do is I want you to feel how much self love can you feel in this particular moment on a scale of 0 to 10. 0 means it's none. 10 means it's the highest. What's the first number that comes to your mind? Now, whatever number comes to your mind first is always the right answer. Your subconscious mind is incapable of lying, and we need to accept whatever answer it gives us. And we are going to retest and measure the self love by the end of hypnosis. Now, just relax, take a deep breath in through your nose and out through your mouth, and just close your eyes. Relax, take a deep breath in through your nose and out through your mouth, and just relax. Now, as you relax, I want you to visualize that person that you love the most. I want you to visualize that they are standing right in front of you. Now, as this person stands right in front of you, I want you to start feeling the emotions that you have for this person. Start feeling those emotions and observe how you feel for this particular person. Now, as you feel these emotions, I want you to imagine that this person is inside a bubble or their aura, and I want you to imagine a color that is associated with this bubble or this aura, and this color represents your feeling for this person. So I want you to wrap this person up in your feelings. And your feelings can be in any color. Whatever color comes to your mind first is always the right answer. So I want you to observe. In this bubble, this person is standing and there is an energy field around them. It has a very distinct color that represents your feeling for this particular person. Observe the feelings, and here's something I want you to do. I want you to make sure that this bubble or this energy field remains over there while you remove this person from this bubble. Now, all you have left is this energy field or bubble. Now, this energy field represents your intense love. Here is something I want you to do. I want you to slowly walk inside this energy field and observe how your body feels different. Walk inside this energy field and observe this energy. Now, as you observe this energy, I want you to feel all this energy around you, all this love around you. Now, here is something I want you to do. I want you to breathe in through your nose and inhale all this energy inside your body. Take a deep breath in through your nose and inhale all this energy inside your body. Take a deep breath in through your nose and out through your mouth and absorb this energy all inside your body. Cover your entire body from head to toe in this beautiful energy. Observe the feelings inside your body. Absorb all this energy inside your body. Cover your entire body in this beautiful energy. And with each and every breath you take, I want you to double the brightness of this energy. Take a deep breath in, double the brightness. Yes, take a deep breath in through your nose and double the magnitude, double the intensity with each and every breath you take. I want you to double the brightness, double the intensity, and double the magnitude, and observe the feeling inside your body. Keep observing the feeling inside your body. And what your subconscious mind is doing right now is it is building up new neural pathways and it is installing self-love inside your body. And the sensations that you are feeling inside your body is your subconscious mind doing its job. Now, only once your subconscious mind says that this self-love is all the way to 10, and only once your subconscious mind says that it's all the way to 10, you can finally open your eyes. Now, since we are doing this all together, I'm going to give you 3 more seconds, and at the count of 3, I'm going to bring you out of this hypnosis and you can bring this magnificent feeling into your reality. So on the count of 3, 1, double the brightness, double the intensity, double the magnitude. 2, take a deep breath in through your nose and out through your mouth and double the magnitude, double the intensity. And 3, open your eyes and observe the feeling inside your body. How do you feel right now? Now, let's do a quick test. On a scale of 0 to 10, how much self-love do you feel right now? And I bet it's all the way to 10. Now, for those of you for whom it didn't go all the way to 10, I want you to repeat the process. There might be something that is a blockage inside your subconscious mind. So keep repeating the process until you go all the way to 10. And if it still doesn't go all the way to 10, you might have some subconscious blockage inside your predominant neurological state. And for that, I have my 15 days instant healing program. You can consider enrolling into my program by signing up for a free mini therapy session with me. In this session, I'm going to assess your subconscious mind map, your subconscious attraction style. And if I can promise you the results, I will allow you to enroll into my program. However, if I feel like I cannot promise you the results, I might refuse you. Now, for those of you for whom it went all the way to 10, I want you to remove this self-love and try to remove it and observe what happens instead. Try to remove this self-love and observe what happens instead. And you're going to observe that the feeling just won't go away. Now, self-love is something that your subconscious mind is generating. Now, here is something I want you guys to do. I want you to go and interact with someone and observe how they treat you differently and observe how they behave around you. And you're going to observe something very incredible. Your energy shifts. The way you speak shifts. The tonality of your voice shifts. Your body language shifts. And as a result of all of this, their behavior around you will also shift. That is the power of your subconscious mind. Don't forget to leave your experience in the comment to share with everyone how you use this method and how other people reacted around you. And I'll wait for that comment. I'll see you guys in the next video. Up until then, stay happy, stay blessed, and keep healing. Bye-bye.